Grade 1 and 2, we have entry and exit passwords, wherein the concept is that they learn a new spelling every day. So our children can even tell you spellings of because and believe, which are very difficult to learn. That is what they learn on everyday basis when they are entering into the class and when they are exiting from the class. So we have this practice of entry and exit passwords from grade 1, and it is continued till grade 10. And we have a lot of spellings that they are learning all these days when they are coming to the school, and it stays in their mind for their lifetime. Grade 3, we do affirmations in all the grades. Grade 3, we have done the affirmations which are giving them a motivation for their day to day life, saying that I am very powerful, I am beautiful, I am strong, where they cultivate that self motivation and strength from inside to lead their daily life. We have here the Yajna Shishta, that is thanking the farmers and thanking God for giving them the food that they are having. మనం డైలీ తింటున్న అన్నం ఏం మన ప్లేట్లో వస్తుందో, దట్ ఈస్ we have to thank someone for that. So we are thanking God as well as the farmers for a very healthy and happy food that they are providing us. Grade 4 are very well versed in art and craft, and they enjoy that class very much. Grade 5 is very much into group discussion, and grade 5 is the class which has won the Uttishta Bharat award for the year. That is the best class award which was presented to them. Grade 6, 7, and 8 has been involved in flip class, wherein the students teach the other students, their friends, by learning the concept. And it is an interactive session wherein the students also raise few questions which are there, probably something that they have read and learned. They'll have an interactive class where the student who is performing, the one who is conducting the flip class, also gains that confidence of public speaking, and the student also becomes a motivation to others who are not probably so confident to come on the stage and talk. So this uh, washes off the stage fear in the students, and it is also a revision for them to various minute points which are covered in the lesson. Grade 8, 9, and 10, we have included a topic called as robotics, which is all about robo science. They will be using for their future. Probably we are making robo scientists in our school.